Then question number 23 we already discussed in the last session. So now 24. Question number 24. A die is thrown twice. What is the probability that 5 will not come up either time? 5 will come up at least once. 5 will not come up either time. 5 will come up at least once. These are the possible outcomes when we throw a die twice. Okay, 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 etc. up to 6 6. Here the question is, what is the probability that 5 will not come up? 5 will not come up. In which all outcomes 5 will come up? Okay, so here 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6 5. 6 numbers or 6 outcomes, and 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 we already count, so 5 6, these 5, the 6 and these 5, so 6 plus 5 11, so 11 outcomes having 5. Okay, so except this 11, remaining all other are the favorable outcomes for the first question, for the first sub question. So here probability of that 5 will not come up either time equal 36 minus 11 by 36 equal 25 by 36. Then next question is probability that 5 will come up at least once. At least once means 1 and 2 5s. 1 5 and 2 5s also we can take. So here 11 by 36. 11 outcomes are favorable. So 11 by 36 is its probability. Then the next question, question number 25. Which of the following arguments are correct and which are not correct? Give reasons for your answer. First one is, if two coins are tossed simultaneously, there are 3 possible outcomes: 2 heads, 2 tails, or one of each. 2 tails or one of each. Therefore, for each of these outcomes, the probability is 1 by 3. When we toss a coin twice or 2 coins together, then these are the possible outcomes. Here tail tail, head head, th ht. Here both are tails. 2 tails and 2 heads are, then one of each having 2 outcomes. Okay, so these 3 are 2 tails, 2 heads, one of each are not equally likely. So we can't say these 3 outcomes probability will be equal and that is equal 1 by 3. So it is not correct. Here probability of getting 2 tails, P of 2 tails equal 1 by 4. Then probability of 2 heads equal 1 by 4. Then probability of one of each equal 2 by 4. That is equal 1 by 2. Now the second sub question is, if a die is thrown, there are 2 possible outcomes, an odd number or an even number. Therefore, the probability of getting an odd number is 1 by 2. When we throw a die once, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 possible outcomes. Here odd or even, that are equally likely because 1, 3, 5, 3 numbers are odd, 2, 4, 6, 3 numbers are even. So that outcomes are equally likely. So we will get P of getting even number is 1 by 2, P of getting an odd number is 1 by 2. So this is correct. Next we can discuss about a doublet. What is mean by doublet? Doublet means 2 numbers are as same. For example, this is the question. In a simultaneous throw of a pair of dice, find the probability of getting a doublet of odd numbers. Okay. Here the possible outcomes are 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, etc. 6, 6. 36 possible outcomes are there. Then for the first question, P of doublet, getting a doublet. Doublet means same number, okay, that are 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. So 6 favorable outcomes are there. So 6 by 36 equal 1 by 6. Then for the second question, P of getting a doublet of odd numbers, only odd number doublet. So 1, 1, 3, 3, 5, 5. So 3 favorable outcomes are there. So 3 by 36 equal 1 by 12.